everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nazak Villashia back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about something astonishing that happened in the stock market today and finance news in general. So before I begin, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence and research supporting party any investments. Let's get into it. All right, I will pull up my articles, and along with the articles, sadly, are the United States COVID cases. So let's start with our first article as soon as this can load. All right. Stock market news live update. Stocks listless after unexpected jump in jobless claims. This is from Yahoo Finance in case you want to look at it. Stocks were hemmed in a narrow range on Thursday, with traders struggling to decipher the meaning behind a surprise rise in unemployment, which threatens a two-day rally that wiped out losses sustained during the worst trading day of 2021. Sentiment took a hit after data Thursday showed an unexpected jump in jobless claims, which last week set a fresh pandemic-era low. New unemployment filings jumped to 409,000 in the latest week, well above the consensus estimates of 360,000. Excuse the yelling. Something going on outside. Anyway, since the onset of COVID-19, the data series has served an avatar of the labor market's health and could take on new importance if rising infections start to trigger new restrictions, which may lead to another round of job losses. As with the recent resurgence in COVID cases stemming from the Delta variant, the jump in jobless claims is a disappointment. Recovery is never a perfect straight line, noted Mark Hamrick, senior economic analyst at Bankrate. All right, next article. This one, as you can tell, is from CNBC. I like the logo, just like a random side note. I do like the logo. I think it's colorful. Okay. The total of those receiving benefits under all government programs also declined, falling by more than 1.2 million to 12.57 million. A year ago, nearly 33 million people were collecting benefits. Among states, Michigan saw the biggest gain, adding more than 13,000 at a time when auto production has been derailed due to a semiconductor shortage. Texas saw an increase of nearly 10,000 according to unadjusted data. Last week's surprise increase in claims comes as fears grow of the relatively new Delta variant of the coronavirus. Case counts and hospitalizations are rising primarily among unvaccinated parts of the population, raising the specter that another wave of this disease is hitting the US and the world. I seriously hope not. I honestly hope not. I don't want that to happen again ever. New cases and hospitalizations are on the levels they were in mid-May, though they remain a fraction of where they were during the winter outbreak. Despite the surprise jump in claims last week, multiple factors point to a strong potential for labor's gains ahead. See, we don't need to worry. Job placement site Indeed estimates that there are about 9.8 million job openings as of July 16th. That compares with the 9.48 million workers that the Labor Department counted as unemployed through June, indicating plenty of opportunity for aggressive hiring ahead. Business shuttered during the pandemic also are coming back at a brisk pace. In the April to June period, 60,502 businesses reopened, the highest volume of the past year, according to Yelp. That total included 38,725 reopenings just in April, the quickest monthly pace since May 2020. Of those returns, restaurants and retail businesses make up the highest portion, with more than 36,000 in the second quarter period. So we don't have to all be gloomy. This is good news. All right, our last article is from, where is it from? Where is it from? Oh, AP News. Okay, sorry guys. Americans are shopping, traveling, eating out more as the pandemic has waned, boosting the economy and forcing businesses to scramble for more workers. Companies have posted the highest number of available jobs in the 2 decades that the data has been tracked. Hiring has picked up. Their businesses say they often can't find enough employees at the wages they're willing to pay. At the same time, analysts are becoming concerned about the potential economic consequences of a tick-up in confirmed viral infections as the highly contagious Delta variant spreads, especially among the unvaccinated. The 7-day rolling U.S. average for daily new cases accelerated over the past 2 weeks to more than 37,000 as of Tuesday, but fewer than 13,700, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Complaints by companies that they can't find enough workers have led 22 states to prematurely end a $300 a week federal unemployment benefit, which comes on top of state jobless aid. 20 states have ended their participation in 2 other federal programs, one of which provides benefits to the self-employed and gig workers, and another that serves people who have been out of work for 6 months or longer. Officials in 2 other states, Indiana and Maryland, had sought to end supplement aid programs that were blocked by court rulings. Nationally, the programs will all expire in early September. The long-term decline in applications for jobless aid coincides with accelerating economic growth. The U.S. economy is thought to have expanded briskly during the April-June quarter as Americans, flush with cash on stimulus checks and from stock market and home equity, stepped up their spending. Retail sales are roughly 20% above pre-pandemic levels. That's amazing. So, in conclusion, we'll just look at the Dow Jones here. When I was doing the research this morning at market open, I saw that it was the Dow Jones was down, but see, this is plus, still plus. It was down at some point, and then with that news, then it just shot back up. Way to go, recovery, Dow. Way to go for the people who held in and didn't sell their stocks. Way to go. But I'm starting to worry about the COVID cases because this is the United States COVID cases. As soon as it loads, I'll show you. It's about 60,000. See, look at this. July 21st, 2021, 60,000 cases. And this worries me a lot because it's nearing Indonesia, which is the new center for COVID, the new epicenter for COVID right now. And it's really worrying me. It's got more than Indonesia. Indonesia got 33,000. This doesn't make sense. US has higher now. So this gets me worried that hopefully we will not have to shut down because of the unvaccinated people. But stay optimistic and stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, found this information helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it till the end of the video for one of those lovely, beautiful people, please be sure to comment powder puff below. And that's also your cue to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.